Nice to see you, children. We are learning Introduction to Trigonometry lesson. In this exercise, I taught you this second question and fourth question. Remaining questions I'll teach you one by one, and the few questions will be as your exam homework questions. So now I'll teach you this first question. Anyway, it will be very easy. Thus that we have seen already. So question is, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine, first point is sin A, cos A, sin C, and fourth one is cos C. This is what we want to find. So from the given question, let us draw triangle. What triangle we want to draw? Want to draw right angle triangle. It is given that right angled at B. So all remaining two will either A will be here, C will be here, or either of this. And it is given that AB equal to 24 centimeter. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. As I told you already, first if a right angle triangle is given, first find all the three sides. Find the unknown side first, then it will be easy to find the trigonometry ratios. So how to find the third side? By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. We know right angle side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and other two sides either opposite and adjacent. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Other two sides we can take it as AB and BC. So hypotenuse square is, we don't know, that's what we want to find. AB is 24 centimeter plus BC is 7 centimeter. So ABC square is 7 square and AB square is 24 square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 24 is 576 plus 7 square is 49. Hypotenuse square is 625. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to plus or minus square root of 625. Hypotenuse is equal to plus or minus 25. Therefore, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. We found hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. What they ask us to find? They ask us to find sin A. In the previous example, I told you, since the angle is not mentioned, depends upon this value, this letter, the angle will change. So here it is given as, we are taking ABC right angle triangle, and then the question, this is 25 centimeter, this is 24 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. This is denotes angle. So angle is forming here. Depends upon this, hypotenuse no change. So if suppose angle is forming here, then this will be opposite, and the third side is adjacent side. Now what is the ratio? Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, which is sin A equal to opposite, value of opposite is 7 by hypotenuse is 25. So point number 1. Point number 2 you do by yourself. I'll tell you point number 3. Anyway, it is easy only. Or I'll tell you point number 4. Point number 4 is cos C, which means again draw triangle, right angle triangle. Note down all the values which is there, already there in the actual diagram. Then hypotenuse, no change in this hypotenuse, and this BC is 7 centimeter, AB is 24 centimeter. Here it is given as cos C, which means angle is forming here. Then here you will form theta. They ask us to find cos C. Ratio for cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. For this situation, you want to mark all the values, no change in the hypotenuse. Since angle is forming here, this becomes opposite now and this becomes adjacent now. Therefore, cos C is equal to adjacent value is 7 by hypotenuse is 25. That's all. This is your exercise 8.1 question number 1. So remaining this point number 2 and point number 3 you do by yourself, and already we saw second question and we saw fourth question. Third question also do by yourself. Fifth question also you do by yourself. Fifth question we saw first example. Similar to that, we want to find all the other trigonometry ratios, which means secant is given. You want to find sine, cos, tan, cosec and cot. Understand? Now we move on to our sixth example question. Okay, sixth example question is sixth question, if angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. It's very simple question. So for the given question, again draw right angle triangle. Angle A and angle B are acute, which means definitely this is your right angle triangle is C. Angle A, angle B acute na 90 degree கம்மியாக இருக்கணும். அதனால் கண்டிப்பாக இந்த இடத்துல வந்து நம்ம ஏவும் நோட் பண்ண முடியாது, பியும் நோட் பண்ண முடியாது, சி தான் இங்கே வரும். அப்போ இங்கே இதுதான் வந்து ஆங்கிள் ஏ ஆங்கிள் பி இங்கே நோட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஒரு கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, காஸ் ஏவும் காஸ் பியும் வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்காமா. ஸோ நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஷின் பார்த்த மாதிரி காஸ் ஏ அப்படின்னா இதுக்கான ட்ரையாங்கிள் வரைஞ்சிக்கோ. இங்கே சி, இங்கே ஏ, இங்கே பி இருக்கப்போ எப்போவுமே இது வந்து ஹைப்போட்டனியஸ் and A. So here A, then theta will form here. Now this become opposite and this become adjacent. And again for cos B, draw diagram, note down the vertices. Since it is cos B, so angle is forming here. Now based upon this, no change in hypotenuse, this is opposite and this is adjacent. What is cos A? That is ratio of causes adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos A equal to adjacent is AC. Since value is not given, write this side, that is AC, hypotenuse is AB. Similarly, cos B from this diagram, cos B again adjacent by hypotenuse. For this case, cos B is equal to adjacent is CB by hypotenuse is AB. So it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. So this and this are equal. So compare the ratio, that is AC by AB is equal to CB by AB. Since equal to symbol, both the denominator are same, you can cancel. You can cancel and write this side, that is AC is equal to AB. What is the angle? Side opposite. Equal opposite side. Opposite to equal angles are equal are angle opposite to equal sides are equal. It is there in your 9th standard. One property is there. ரெண்டு சைடு ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் இருக்க ஆங்கிள் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். இப்போ ஏசி ஏசின்ற ஒரு சைடு, இந்த சைடுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் என்ன ஆங்கிள் இருக்குது, ஏசிக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் என்ன ஆங்கிள் இருக்குது, ஆங்கிள் பி ஈக்குவல் டு சிம்பிள் ஏபி எங்கேப்பா இருக்குது, சாரி சிபி சிபி எங்கே இருக்குது, இங்கே இருக்குது. இப்போ இந்த சைடு ஈக்குவலாக இருந்து இதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் என்ன ஆங்கிள் இருக்குது, இங்கே ஆங்கிள் ஏ ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், ஆங்கிள் ஏ. தேர்ஃபோர் hence showed that angle A equal to angle B. That's all. Thank you.